ICT has been gaslighting you for more than a decade. I know this is a hard pill to swallow, but trading is way simpler than what he makes it. You do not need to catch the low of the day and then ride it to the high of the day. You do not even need to catch the lion's share of the move. All you need is a consistently profitable trading model that makes you more money than it loses over the long term. I don't care if your trading model is a 1R system. If it's a money-making machine, it's a money-making machine. So you see this move here, and I took this trade on the 16th of June. I did not catch the whole move. I just waited for my setup to occur. And when my setup comes in, you just catch what you need and then you call it a day. Most traders are only making 1 or 2 trades a day. Once you get into a good trade, you just want to make the money that you need to cover your bills. There is nothing worse than catching a trade and then holding on for way too long and then it reverses on you. You do not need any kind of magical daily bias that is built off of crazy look back periods and 1 week mitigation blocks. The market is way simpler. Discover a bias that allows you to be right more than 50% of the time and then take off something like 2R. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your daily bias in a very unique but easy way. And then all you need to do is just catch a little bit of the move and you're laughing. So this is something I found in Edgeful earlier today. So this is the discovery tool and it makes finding edges so easy. So let's run it for NQ using 6 months worth of data and let it come up with the data. Okay. So what I like to do is, this is the score, how strong the edge is, but I like to filter by sample set. So I want to see the biggest samples that have a green edge. So let's scroll down. So we have IB by rejection, we have inside bars. And what I was looking at earlier today is this one here, the previous day's range standard. And this is a fantastic way of finding your daily bias if you're an ICT trader. Because remember, you don't need to catch the low or high of the day. You just got to know which direction the market is moving and catch a little bit of that. So what happened within this particular strategy? Over the last 30 days, it was triggered 9 times. And what it says is, depending upon the previous day's range and what happens today, you can determine your bias. And this is a fantastic edge. So I'm going to show you the data now. So the actual report is called previous day's range. And if you would like access to Edgeful, there's a link in the description to this video. We're going to look at NQ for 6 months worth of data. And what it essentially says is, if the previous day's candle was a green candle and we take the previous day's high, what are the chances that today will close green? Conversely, if yesterday was a red candle and we take the low, what are the chances that today is going to close red? Because then all you do is, once you know your bias, you just got to catch a little bit of the continuation. It's very simple. You don't need to catch a million pips. Okay, you just got to catch a good RR. Something like a 2RR is more than enough to become financially free. So what does this report tell us? If yesterday was a green day and the previous day's high is broken today, 70% of the time today is going to be a green closing candle. So you have your bias. So all you essentially need to do is have a look at yesterday's candle, wait for the open at 9:30 a.m. And that's when you get the big move. As soon as it takes yesterday's high, if it takes yesterday's high, you have a green bias. Now you can either catch a retrace and then catch a long, or you can catch a continuation. Similarly, if the previous day was a red day, so if yesterday was bearish and you broke the previous day low, 66% of the time it's going to be a red day. Okay. And the great thing about index futures is, by the time you hit 9:30, 10 a.m., you've had a big move already and you've probably taken the high or low of the previous day. You have your daily bias. ICT trading isn't as complicated as he makes it out to be. Here's your daily bias right here. And it is accurate 70% of the time for green days, 66% of the time for red days. Okay, I don't think you need anything better than this. And you're not trying to catch a million pips. You just need a little bit of a continuation or a retracing continuation. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade my golden bullet and rabbit hole trading models for index futures, metals, energies, currencies, and crypto, there's a link to my mentorship below.